In today's connected world, quality of service, or QoS, plays a pivotal role in managing and prioritizing network traffic to ensure smooth operation and user satisfaction. QoS mechanisms prioritize important data, such as voice calls and video streams, over less critical applications, ensuring key services remain interruption-free. This is done by categorizing traffic types, where critical services get higher bandwidth and lower latency paths through network devices like routers and switches. For example, VoIP and live video conferencing data are prioritized to prevent delays or drops, crucial in business and emergency communications. During peak traffic times, QoS rules kick in to manage the load, ensuring that your critical applications run smoothly without sacrificing quality. Want to ensure your network is optimized for both performance and reliability? Dive deeper into QoS with our comprehensive guides at badanetworks.com.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.